Hey everyone, Jason Cadrone here.
Carlos Santiago.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Wow, I went baritone
You
and
did.
you went
I
super
went-
high tenor.
Yeah, that's
I like
not
that.
typical.
Wow, that's very good.
I usually go low and you go high.
Yeah. You go low and I
You go high.
It's such a good song. Anyway, what's up?
Well,
What
you
up,
know,
dude?
you know what's up? This looks fantastic.
This is great. What do you guys think about this new look? We're always playing around with the looks and all that stuff and just trying to figure out how to best bring, wow, words are hard today. Also, don't buy your fake teeth in the mail. We're always trying to figure out how to bring...
It's the whitest part of you.
What, my teeth?
Your teeth. Carlos is Puerto Rican.
My teeth have a credit score of over 800. But anyway, we're always trying to figure out how to bring you the best content. So
Yeah.
we're always behind the scenes trying to figure out lighting, trying to figure out the look. And so let us know if you guys like this. And we're always looking at the comments for reactions. So
We're always looking at those subscribe numbers, so
Yeah.
hit that button right away. But yeah, you know, Carlos, you're right. We're always dinking around and tweedledumming it.
That's going to be in the other months.
Yeah. But we would love to know what you think because,
Yeah.
you know, I get it. There's a lot of reaction channels out there. And I
lot.
think a lot of people just do it from whatever room they have and whatever, you know, space. And there's nothing wrong with that. But, you know, we're good looking guys over here, guys. We're trying to always elevate the visuals and make it pleasing. So I feel like this looks fantastic.
Looks great.
Got the black wall. We got the plaque. Thanks
plaque.
to you guys. And we're reacting to videos. What do we got today?
We have Stell. We're coming back to him and performing with a favorite of ours.
Oh, wow, yeah.
David Foster, a legend, the hitman himself. And so I'm super stoked to listen to this. Why don't you do the honors?
Yeah. Here we go. Some Stell with David Foster. Hey, so the drummer, I just had lunch with him a couple weeks ago.
Oh, yeah?
J.R. John Robinson, one of the biggest drummers in the world.
This
He's
guy.
a cool guy.
This guy.
So David, thank you for having me. I just gave you a girl's name. I'm sorry. It's fine. It's fine. I always get that a lot.
Did he say Stella?
He might
I
have.
missed it. I was chatting.
It's called the David Foster Show, okay? Not the Stell Show. We're happy to have you and help me out with this.
He's probably serious about it.
Yeah, he's probably serious about that.
So when I was making this song with Celine, she complained really a lot about this very high note in the song, right? It's an impossible note to sing, and she hated me in the studio that day.
I always forget he
If you
wrote
ever
this
read her
song.
book,
It's crazy.
This.
Oh,
Are you kidding me right now?
right to the avocados? Oh, I know that guy too.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Page 37, page 38. She devotes to 2 pages to how much she hated me that day in the studio. But we got the job done.
Should we skip to the song? Let's skip to the song.
Yeah, let's get
Love
to the
you,
song.
David, but I want to
Yeah.
hear Stell.
We want to hear Stella. There's a lot of chit-chatting.
But I'm sure you can do it. But can I show you? I actually said to her,
Come on.
hey, if you
We don't preview these beforehand, guys, if you're new to the channel. So
Listen, David
all
Foster is probably the only person besides us that talks that much.
yeah, exactly.
Love you, DF.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, here we go.
When I was young, I never needed anyone.
Oh, wow. That's fantastic.
Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone.
Do you ever wish you could sing like that?
Yeah.
Like that high, that timbre?
Yeah, it just happened to me yesterday morning.
You sang like that?
No, I tried.
Oh. I was like, did your wife grab you by the...
No, she was there to support me when I limped off the stage.
Wow.
Hard to be sure.
It's effortless.
Yeah, I'm sickening. Here we go.
What note is it anyway? G? G sharp?
And you talking about the key?
Oh no, the top note.
He's hitting C's in this.
No, I mean the one coming.
We'll see. Let me hear it in this key and I'll tell you. Live.
Oh, that's so good. Gave me chills.
He hit a high E.
It gives me chills,
A high
man.
E, dude.
Just full voice. I almost brought tears in my eyes. Wow. A little flair on the very ending too. Stell. Carlos, that was just freaking amazing. Stell makes me want to die and go too because I'm not
Stell.
worthy. I'm not worthy of
It
heaven.
rhymes with Stell.
Yeah, I'm not worthy of the heavenly notes that he just put out.
That's
that was
crazy.
crazy.
That's crazy.
Talk to me.
It's a perfect example of light and right. This is a
Yes, that's a
ridiculously
great point.
ridiculously high key for a tenor. He's not. He doesn't end up in tenor range. He's ending in like alto range and even like pop soprano, obviously, because contextually speaking, you know, we think soprano and then we start thinking like, you know, let's think of another artist, So Young, right? Like, so she goes like super high,
Yeah, sure.
and even higher than that. But then contextually for most pop artists, you can be a soprano, but when you're in your full heavy mix, you know, contextually it just comes down, right? So he's like in alto, you know, kind of soprano 2 range. But when he starts the song, the first notes that he sings, you know, and in the chorus, all by myself, he approaches it light because he has to keep that there, because if not, he's not going to make it through the rest of the song.
That is an excellent coaching point. That was brilliant, Carlos. And you know what?
Well, I hang out with great coaches, so
I don't know who you're talking about, but I'll take
Yeah.
it. No, you know what? To the point, I was driving yesterday, and I was listening to a Bocelli track, and I was singing along, and I made a conscious decision to not be heavy on it, because guys, I'm a thicker, heavier singer, and I was taught that way. I was trained that way early on.
his artist name is Nicolas Cage.
Oh God.
I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
That's on another channel that you can subscribe to.
Members only.
Members only. No, I've made the decision because I don't always do that.
Yeah.
I want to muscle my way through it, you know, because that's the way I was taught as a kid, even though I know better now. I know the right and wrong. But I made the decision not to do it, and it was as effortless and as free. But it still feels weird and so different in my experience of that kind of expression that I don't always choose it.
Yeah.
He brilliantly did that.
Yeah.
And it's just like, ugh. I mean, you saw Foster. He's just like back. I mean, that's
It's
what I want to
crazy.
do. It's just incredible.
Stellar.
Oh,
It's
you're
very
on
good.
it today, Carlos. The stellar
Pun,
Stell to the fantastic phrasings and phonetical
Fanaticism.
fantasies.
Fantastical.
I was trying to make it really clever and funny. I couldn't with the F words, guys. Ooh. This was awesome.
Yeah, it's
This
great.
was so great.
Send more.
Send more. David Foster, we love you.
Yep.
Call us. We'd love to come sing with you too, David Foster.
Yeah.
We could do that, Carlos and I.
Maybe about a key or two down.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can do
Yeah.
the 3 tiers.
Humility precedes greatness. So
Yeah.
we're just going to do
No,
maybe
we'll
a
sing
key or-
something else with David. Not
Oh,
this song.
yeah. No, that's
We'll sing something. I'll do You Raise Me Up because that's in my wheelhouse.
Yep, yeah.
You can do.
I'll do the curtain.
You'll do the prayer.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it.
With,
I like
with
it.
like Pia.
Yeah, oh,
No, I want
would
that.
love
I'm
to.
going to take that. Okay. Anyway, we're rambling. David, call us. We love you guys. We'll see you next time. Until then, I'm Jason Control.
Carlos Santiago.
We're Vocal Lab Collective.